Okay, it's time. Let's start the video, shall we? Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching in. This is Aditya, and you are watching the Techno Drift. Finally, Google Pixel 4a. Yeah, this is the full review, and I have been using this phone since last 2 to 3 months, and here is what I felt about it. I need to say this. Pixel 4a is one simple and sober device that I've used. If you have a budget of 30 to 35k, then you guys need to have a look at the Google Pixel 4a. But before going in depth, let's have a look to the intro and what I'm going to say next. You know it, right? Sit back, relax, buckle up, and I will see you after the intro. Hey, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed the intro. A lot of effort went into making that intro, and I hope you guys liked it. If you loved it, let us know in the comment section, and share your feedback in the comment section so that we can know what all mistakes we do, and we'll definitely cover it up in our next one. Pixel 4a is the one and only device that has been launched last year by Google, and I guess that's enough. It has a gorgeous 5.81-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, which is nothing fancy. It's just a 60Hz display. Well, this device is not targeted towards gamers, of course. Apart from that, consuming content on this device is absolutely amazing. You got an dual stereo speakers. Yes, I mean, just hear the music. Well, I hope you got an idea about the speaker's performance, and it's really good. Talking about the display protection, the display has Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection, but somehow if you drop the device and let's say the glass breaks up, then you are definitely going to pay a wholesome amount of 22 to 23k. Yes, 22 to 23k for repairing a display of a smartphone. I mean, you can get a new device at that price point, but yeah, that's what Google is charging. Now let's have a look to the build and design part of this device. It's a good plastic build. I personally like this kind of plastic with this deep black matte finish. It just feels like a premium plastic design. Well, there is one thing that I need to say you. Devices in this price segment doesn't get one thing, and yeah, you guessed it right. That's the headphone jack. Google Pixel 4a retains the 3.5mm headphone jack, and it sounds amazing. I mean, wired are always better than wireless. Yeah, I hope you got that. The display also supports HDR10 as well as wideband L1, so that you are going to enjoy all of the beautiful full HD content available on Amazon Prime as well as Netflix. Okay, let's talk about the software part. Google Pixel 4a comes with a simple and sober, pure stock Android experience. I mean, it's the king of vanilla Android experience if you want that. With no bloatwares, no ads. With that said, I've already got the latest every month security update. Yeah, that's the one thing, that's the one merit of using a stock Android device, a Pixel device from Google. So you're covered up with Android 11 out of the box. I mean, this kind of experience make using a phone way phenomenal. Well, that is a reason why you landed on Earth, right? And that is the reason why you landed on this video, right? And that's probably the cameras of Pixel 4a. The Pixel 4a, wait, not cameras, but camera. There is only one single 12 megapixel resolution camera, and that's enough. Pixel devices are known for amazing camera optimization. It shoots some amazing photos, let it be daylight or low light, and it can outperform any devices at this price range. Daylight photos are sharp, clear, and let's not talk about all the colors and details because come on, it's pixel, right? Also, the low light optimization is absolutely on point. There is a very less amount of graininess and noise, and the pictures are well exposed. Kudos to Google's optimization. Macro shot, portrait, it can do everything with that single camera. Coming to video part, well, that's also the same story. Have a look at the sample. You can see I'm walking through the shades and check the focus. It's instantaneous, and of course the quality is super good. But it annoyed me in one single thing, and that's the front camera. I mean, the back camera is so good, why not the front camera? Have a look at the photos. Hey, don't take me wrong, in daylight or good light conditions the pictures are good enough, but the detail level is not that good. I hope Google will bundle a higher megapixel count selfie camera in their upcoming phones. Well, here is a video from the front camera. Have a look.
So this video is getting recorded at 1080p 30 fps, and the audio is also getting recorded through the internal microphone of the Pixel 4a. This I am shooting in the afternoon time, and you can get an idea of the exposure compensation as well as the color correction. Now I am walking, and you can get an idea of the stabilization as well. So yeah, this was the front camera video from the Pixel 4a.
So I hope you got an idea about the video part as well as the photo part of the camera, and let's hear what Sanket has to say.
Hey guys, this is Sanket, and I'll be talking about the performance, gaming, battery and charging technology, as well as the pricing details of the Pixel 4a. And at the last, I'll share my thoughts on it. But first, let's know what exactly powers this device. The Pixel 4a comes with Snapdragon 730G, which is a 8nm chipset, and it has up to 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage. But this time, it doesn't have an expandable storage option. The specs are not that great when it comes to the price point, but it just does the job. But the overall experience is great thanks to the purest form of Android. Well, to be honest, this is not performance monster or something, but it is good for regular day-to-day tasks. Apart from that, switching between apps and doing multitasking feels smooth. And when it comes to RAM management, the phone easily keeps 8 to 10 apps in the background without even reloading them. And for those who judge the phone through benchmark scores, here are the benchmark scores from Geekbench. When it comes to gaming, the phone can handle all usual games, and this time we played the latest game 4G, and it runs in ultra graphics. When it comes to COD, the game runs in very high graphics along with very high frame rates. Overall, I would say this is not the perfect smartphone for gaming because of its mediocre processor, smaller screen size, and a smaller battery. The phone was slightly warm, but there are no heating issues as such. But yes, there were some battery drain issues, and so would recommend checking some other high performance phones if you're looking for a phone for hardcore gaming. Now for a reference, have a look at the gameplay.
Frontline. We've taken the lead. Recon standing by. Tango down. Online. Enemy contact. Recon. Friendly hunter killer drone deployed.
In view of security, you have the usual fingerprint scanner, but this time it's on the rear side and it works great. Well, one point to note is that the haptic motor on this device works flawlessly. And do you even need to ask about the security patch thing? It comes with the latest February security patch. Talking about battery, this phone comes with just a 3140 mAh battery, and it will last you a day if you use it for normal things, with around 5 to 5.5 hours of screen on time. And thanks to Google for providing at least a 18-watt charger, which roughly takes about 1.5 hours to charge it from 10 to 100%. And for all those who don't have an idea of the pricing, the Pixel 4a comes with only a single variant with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, priced at 31,999 INR. Now, according to me, Pixel 4a is a simple smartphone that focuses on things that actually matters. If you want a smartphone with great software, great cameras, but in a smaller form factor, then Pixel 4a is for you. But if you want 5G and want more performance from your phone, then you can also check out the newly launched Realme X7 Pro 5G. By the way, stay tuned for the unboxing video. Now let's hear what Aditya has to say.
Okay, thoughts or verdict. Yeah, this could be a hardest part of the review. I mean, but not this time. If you are the one who wants the pure, stock Android experience, the vanilla, the delicious stock Android experience, and the amazing camera experience, go with Pixel 4a. I mean, this device can absolutely beat the camera performance of the devices that is priced under 30 to 40k. But if you are the one who is a very power hunger guy, you do a lot of heavy tasking, you play a lot of games, then you have other options in the market as well. That's it. That's all for the video. That's all for the Pixel 4a. If you guys got any sorts of information from us, if you love the whole the video, please hit that like button. Please hit that like button and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. And hey, don't forget to subscribe. That's very important. Kindly do that. Also, if you want to get in touch with us, all of the links to our social media platforms will be there in the description below. You can go and check it out. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.